When God gives you more responsibility, the enemy gets louder. This week I felt it. Unfair pressure, criticism, out of nowhere. And I knew it. I knew it wasn't just about me. The moment you stand for Jesus Christ, opposition shows up. But remember that no weapon formed against you shall prosper. If you are under fire because of your faith, it's a sign. It's a sign that you are on assignment. Keep shining. Keep standing. Don't back down. This is Kingdom Walk.